Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and here's another quick tip. Now today I've been working on a beautiful loom piece here, and I've been using my Czech glass beads. Now these are 11-0, and this is a beautiful mix, and it comes like this on a hank. And as you can just see, I thought it was just perfect as is, so I just wanted to keep that mix pattern happening there. But there was something that I discovered while I was doing my loom with the Czech glass. Now, like I said, these are 11-0 beads, so instead of using a loom needle, I switched over to a regular size 12 beading needle. And the reason I did that is because if you look here on my regular jewel loom needle, you'll notice that that eye is much bigger than you might think when working with the Czech glass 11-0 beads. Now, we've used 11-0 beads in our jewel loom before, but sometimes when you're working with something like the Czech glass beads that are a little bit more irregular, you're going to have this problem. So I picked up one of my beads and was able to slide it on and slide it right over that eye just fine. But then I had a different color bead here, and I picked it up and I slid it and it stopped. So I can't actually slide it over that side of the eye. It's just got a little extra coating to it, so it was a little smaller. So what happened was I decided to switch out my loom needle for my beading needle. Now I want you to see them side by side here and see that there is definitely a length variation. So if your piece is really wide, you might have to stick to the loom needle here. So you might have to eliminate some beads and you might find out that some of them just don't work with it. But if your piece is smaller than this one, as you can see mine is over here on the loom, I'm just going to bring that in so you can just see. So it still fits just fine. Now the 12 is a little bit a lighter, kind of feel to it, but I can pick up all those little beads and they're going to slide over my needle just fine and slide back through. So that's something that you want to consider. So the reason I decided on a size 12 is it's a pretty standard size. So if you're a regular bead weaver, you'll probably have this on hand. So you can do your loom always with a size 12 if you like. The reason I like doing regular loom with, let's say, Delicas or larger beads or more regular beads like the Miyuki rounds, this works really great because it's a little stiffer, so you can really kind of press up on it. So it'll be really nice. And it, like I said, it is a little bit longer. So whichever one you choose, you can continue to do your loom work. So if you run into this problem, don't fret, just switch out your needle to a size 12. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com and be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.